Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create a website for your interior decoration business on Wix.com. So Wix.com is a website builder platform that helps individuals and businesses to manage and to create their website. So the first thing to do is to create an account on Wix.com. Then you click on create new site. Now, the next step is to answer Wix.com's questions, like what kind of website are you creating? We said it is interior decoration. The decorator portfolio, decorator blog. We have a stylist, interior plant service, and let's go with the decorator. Next. So from now on, I am an interior decorator. What's the name of my business? Yeah, we write the Radical Madaga and we add something like this. Any gadget or number is good. So what do you want to add to your website? We have the chat, the booking, we can add an online store, but I don't think an interior decorator will use an online store. But they can use a portfolio. We have... That's it. Next, you can start up building your business, or you can let Wix create your business, your website in seconds, or you can begin with an empty template and edit it if you have an expertise in design or you know a designer. So let's let Wix do the job for us because I'm too lazy to design it by myself and I have no expertise in the design. Now, we provide them with some informations like the logo, the name, the email, the address. We have the phone number and some social accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others. Next, we pick a theme: the humble, the high-rise, the serene, the indie, the timeless, and the minimal. So it's timeless for now. Pick your favorite homepage design. We have here this one, and this one. So you are the interior decorator, not me. So you know what suits you best. So I am going with this one. Next, you have to add pages like services and informations about. Here, a biography. Here we have some projects. The press, if you appeared in the press. Testimonials, we have services here. Contacts, clients, codes, and others. Now let's go to the editing of the website. You can add and manage everything. Here you can add elements. You can add sections, menus, design, apps, business. You can manage your content here. And when you are done editing, switching, and changing designs, you click on publish after saving, of course. And by clicking on publish, your website will be published under this website given by Wix.com. Now let's go to the dashboard. So this is how your website will look like. You should manage the prices, the time of services, the services themselves. So that's why we are at the dashboard. Here, if you don't want your website to be under this link, you can choose your own link here, like we see, and click on let's go. But to take this, you will need to upgrade your membership. And here we have add your first service. You can choose from several services and you can add your own service if you need. So lightning design, spatial planning, we have pre-construction consultation. You can add new services, you can edit those and more. Now we also need to update stuff details and workers, so people and customers can know who's they are booking with. We have the staff number one. You can add more, add their emails, their phone numbers, their whole informations. Now the payments methods are really easy. Click on this payments method, add your PayPal account or your credit cards. Now the last step will be to get found on Google. And to get found on Google, you start your CEO journey and click on get started. What's the name of your brand? Next, we have how or where do you serve your customers? If you serve your customers face to face within a local area, we'll include this info in your CEO checklist. This will help search engine understand more about your site and help it get found in. So if you serve your customers in a physical address, you can add an address. If you serve your customers on a nationwide or worldwide or interact with visitors online, the second choice is available. So here you need some keywords. So we are interior design. Sorry, I don't know how to write designer. Nope. Yes, something like this. So something like this and continue. Now you just have to complete this checklist. We have set up your homepage title. Madara interior design looks bad and will not attract any customer. That's why I'm not doing this business. I'm just showing you how. So here you add something to tell people about your website. Madara contain your business name and the keyword. That's why I used Madara as a keyword. I worked smarter, not harder. Now you fill up till 50 words depending on what you are up to. So wait. I think I misclicked something. So let's fill up with points like this. Oh, I added more than 50. That's good. Now you add text to your homepage. The text to your homepage should be here. Welcome to Madagan. Okay, this name is weird. You can add something from your keywords here. At least one keyword or your business site name. You add it here or somewhere. So that you complete all the steps. Next, you have to complete the second step to optimize your website search. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.